What happened to this magic? I feel like whistling this.
What the hell?
Holy fuck, Andy Griffith, give it here.
Shut up. Oh, okay, here.
There you go, Matlock.
Watch. See, the magic's about to
The
happen.
magic's about to. Oh, there you go.
The magic happened.
The 5-minute magic.
Okay, but now you gotta get that clip back on there.
Well, why'd you fucking pop it off for?
Well, I thought because it had to come off because the chain had to go around here. I was just trying to help.
Fuck. Well, at least I have a 3-year warranty on it.
Yeah, just go take it back. Tell them it wasn't.
Go take it back.
Tell them the clip wasn't on there.
I'll say Scotty McIntyre
No, don't use my name.
tried to fix it.
Don't use my name.
We know that guy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I always return shit. That's why I use it and take it back. Fucking miser. I'll buy something, go home, use it, take it back. Oh, it's not good. That time I wanted a air compressor. Get back. Bought a refurbished one so it didn't look so bad. No, it's not good. Oh my god. I have a major problem here.
Don't fucking do it.
Come on.
Well, how did you get it off there?
Well, you know, I went and popped this thing. It just came off easy. That's the problem. It's not going on easy. You know what I think? I think we need, like, supposed to be a spreader or something.
Okay.
Yes. So let's go on this fucking thing.
Well, those bolts are supposed to go on there, eh? Those nuts?
Okay.
Yeah. Supposed to go on there. And then this chain was supposed to be wrapped around this thing and around that.
Yeah.
No.
So which side's the top side on this thing?
Doesn't really say.
So I don't know. What is that thing for anyway? This is really pissing me off. Like, I feel bad.
And Matt saw Scott McIntyre fixes a chainsaw. What was that? What was that, Mr. McIntyre? Scotty too hotty. Peace, YouTube.